As a leader, it can sometimes be a challenge to help our team members navigate change. Grace Hopper, who was one of the first female rear admirals in the US Navy, would often say humans are allergic to change. It sure seems that way, doesn't it? As leaders, it's not uncommon that our employees are often challenged by and even resist the changes that come about in our organizations and in our teams. And let's face it, in today's work world, change is happening for us all the time. In our leadership development series, one of our workshops is entitled Support Yourself and Others Through Change. This workshop is focused on equipping leaders with models, tools, and strategies for better understanding the dynamics of change and for helping team members work through their resistance. In the workshop, we first explore a model known as the rational change model. It helps leaders understand change from an organizational perspective, with special focus on why teams and organizations need to change in order to survive and thrive. And the model helps leaders communicate change as a key element in solving business problems. The second model we explore is a human model. It's called the emotional change model, and it helps leaders deeply understand the emotional and psychological process that we as humans go through as we're encountering and working through change. These two models together help leaders adjust their mindsets so they can better understand the dynamics of change and how to effectively lead others through it. From there, we then work with leaders on strategies specifically aimed at how they can coach their team members who are grappling with and struggling with change. Through these coaching methods, leaders are armed with a variety of approaches they can use to help their team members through the change process so they can successfully get to the other side and embrace the change. So if you, like many leaders, struggle with team members who resist change, we encourage you to join us for our leadership development series, which includes this workshop. Visit our website to learn more, and we'll see you next time.